Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the connection between your phone and the thermostat. Open Google Home, sign in with the same Google account used for the Nest, and allow location and Bluetooth. Once done, tap the plus to add a device and choose New Device. This searches your network and nearby devices. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as the thermostat. Do this now so the app can detect the unit and prompt pairing without extra network troubleshooting. You'll now complete pairing and set behavior. When the Home app finds the thermostat, confirm the code shown on the thermostat display matches the app, then accept permissions. Next, assign the device to a home and room so voice control and automations work correctly. Configure basic settings like eco temperature, schedules, and away detection so automated savings start immediately. Finally, enable remote access and app notifications so you can change temperature, view energy history, and receive alerts from anywhere. You finish by practicing control and setting automations. Open the thermostat card in Google Home to tap temperature, switch modes, or open detailed settings. You can also use assistant voice commands for hands-free control. Create routines for morning, away, or bedtime to automate comfort and savings. If something goes wrong, make sure the thermostat and phone are on the same network, restart the router and device, and reauthorize your Google account in the app. This common fix restores remote control quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.